Bitcoin trades above $68,000, Ether stays below $3,600. Ethereum DogeCoin upgrade trims the Ether supply to August 2022 lows. Indonesia's crypto market booms as transaction hit $1.92 billion in February. Reddit faces FTC probe over AI data practices ahead of IPO. IT Ministry replaces AI advisory, drops requirement of government's permission. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VD markets were trading higher in the beginning of the week, with prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and certain large-cap cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins, collecting gains. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, was trading near $68,000 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.8% at 87,300 points. Interestingly, last week Bitcoin saw a sharp correction after hitting a fresh all-time high. Hotter than expected US inflation readings led the dip in prices as the key barometer of Federal Reserve decision-making tool suggested that the central bank may deal with an interest rate cut. The meeting later this week. Meanwhile, Bitcoin received support from a JP Morgan report that argued the top token became investors' darling in recent times. It said, adjusting for volatility, Bitcoin's allocation in investor portfolios has already outpaced that of gold. However, Bitcoin has a 3.7 times greater allocation compared to billion, considering the net inflow of $9 billion into Bitcoin ETFs since their inception. Apparently, the Bitcoin ETF market size has a potential to reach $62 billion if gold is used as a benchmark, analysts said. Furthermore, last week the crypto-tracked futures suffered over $800 million losses, the second largest figure this year. Longs or bets on higher prices suffered $660 million in liquidations, likely contributing to the sharp downturn. In other news, VanEck, the global investment firm whose Bitcoin trust is one of the top 10 Bitcoin ETFs that became available earlier this year, believes an Ether ETF could generate massive demand. Their portfolio managers believe that the market size for a spot ETH ETF could be as large as the Bitcoin ETFs. The global crypto market cap was at $2.56 trillion mark, increasing 1.7% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume decreased by 22% to $120 billion. Moving on, Solana network activity surpassed Ethereum over the weekend, reaching $3.52 billion and are surpassing the daily Ethereum network volume by over $1.1 billion. Solana's recent gains have allowed it to overtake Binance's BNB coin, becoming the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap at $88.5 billion. Going forward, CoinSwitch, a cryptocurrency exchange and aggregator platform, is set to expand into wealth tech services in the upcoming quarter. The company's diminished scale is due to industry challenges, with trading volumes remaining below the 2022 peak. While the Book of Meme, a meme coin built on the Solana blockchain, has experienced a significant price surge, reaching over 145% overnight and 220% earlier. This surge can be attributed to Binance's announcement, which has introduced the USTSM BOOM perpetual contract on Binance futures, offering leverage of up to 50x. US stock futures traded higher as market participants focused on guidance on monetary policy from the Federal Reserve this week. Futures tied to the S&P 500 rose 0.3%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures hovered near the flat line, while Nasdaq 100 futures traded higher by 0.6%. Bitcoin was trading at $67,720, up by 1.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.4%, trading at $3,555. While talking about Solana Soul token, it was up by 11% and was trading at $210. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.1% to trade at $0.67. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $61.6, higher by 10%. Shiba Inu was trading up by 4.5%. Polkadot was up by 3.3% to trade at $10.2. However, Binance's BNB token was down by 1.3% to trade at $564, and Polygon's Matic token was trading down by 0.6% to trade at $1.1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2% at $0.14, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.61, down by 1%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, activated its recent upgrade DogeCoin on March 13th, leading to a significant reduction in the total supply of Ether. Data from CryptoQuant shows that Ether's total supply hit its lowest point since August 2022 midweek. This decrease follows Ethereum's major shift from proof of work to proof of stake with the merge upgrade. The rate of Ether supply decline is now the fastest since May 2023, with a 0.872% decrease per year over the past month, compared to 0.246% since the merge. The high activity on Ethereum has led to increased transaction fees and more fees burned, according to CryptoQuant's head of research, Julio Moreno. Since the merge, over 1.56 million Ether has been burnt, while less than 1.12 million Ether have been issued, resulting in a net decline of more than 446,000 Ether, valued at nearly $1.62 billion. Indonesia reported a surge in crypto transactions, reaching Indonesian rupiah 30 trillion, worth $1.92 billion in February, the country's crypto regulator reported. The number of registered crypto investors in the country also hit 19 million last month, marking an addition of 170,000 users from January. The Commodities Futures Trading Supervisory Agency, BAPEPT, said. BAPEPT attributes this growth to positive market sentiments fueled by Bitcoin's price surge and the rally in altcoin tokens other than Bitcoin. The regulator still aims to match or exceed the transaction value from 2021, the last bull run of $51.28 billion in 2024. BAPEPT's Tirtha Karma Sanjaya highlighted that given the downward trend in 2022 and 2023, a 2024 rebound was anticipated, with the upcoming Bitcoin halving seen as a key catalyst. Social media giant Reddit is being investigated by the United States Federal Trade Commission over its data licensing practices for artificial intelligence training. The investigation comes amid the company's preparation for its long-awaited initial public offering. Reddit reveals that the investigation is an amendment Form S-1 registration statement filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on March 15, 2024, submitted the day after receiving notice about the FTC inquiry. Reddit mentioned in the filing that it is not surprised by the FTC's interest due to the unique nature of the technologies and business agreements. However, Reddit insisted it had not engaged in unfair or deceptive trade practices. The FTC's scrutiny underscores Reddit's regulatory hurdles amid the growing popularity and use of AI. While Reddit believes it hasn't violated laws, it admits the investigation might be prolonged and uncertain. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology on Friday revised its March 1st advisory to the largest social media companies in the country on the use of artificial intelligence, changing a provision that mandated intermediaries and platforms to get government permission before deploying under-tested or unreliable AI models and tools in the country. The new advisory issued on Friday supersedes the two-page note issued on March 1st on the due diligence to be carried out by intermediaries and platforms under the Information Technology Act 2000 and Information Technology Rules 2021. In its new form, the intermediaries are no longer required to submit an action taken cum status report either, but are still required to comply with immediate effect. The new advisory retains MeTI's emphasis on ensuring that all deepfakes and misinformation are easily identifiable. It also said AI models should not be used to share content that is unlawful under any Indian law. Intermediaries should ensure that their AI models and algorithms do not permit any bias or discrimination or threaten the integrity of the electoral process. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Solana. Solana network activity surpassed Ethereum over the weekend, reaching $3.52 billion and surpassing the daily Ethereum network volume by over $1 billion. However, the network struggled to keep up the surge, with users reporting frequent failed or missing transactions. Solana's recent gains have allowed it to overtake Binance's BNB coin, becoming the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization at $88.5 billion. The network's market cap is now nearly $12 billion higher than its former top market cap of $76.5 billion reached on November 7th. 2021. Solana was trading at $200, up near 9% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Snapcoin. Kero, an NFT artist, raised over $10 million for Snap, a new Solana-based meme coin, in just 24 hours. The initiative was supported by a poll on X, with nearly 55,000 SOL equivalent to approximately $10.4 million contributing to the wallet address. Snap, named after Kero's original meme character Coco, echoes the iconic Pepe the Frog. The median donation stood at 1 Solana, a near doubling in value following Solana's recent market performance. Snap shot up 40% since its launch. However, today it was trading 55% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $118 million in just 2 days. Next on the list, we have Phantom. Phantom, the primary token of the Phantom network, has seen 10% increase in value in the past 24 hours due to upcoming protocol updates. Phantom, a Layer 1 blockchain platform, plans to enhance its network with lower memory consumption, improved storage capabilities, and new security features. The foundation claims these improvements could improve network performance by processing transactions faster. Next on the list, we have Phantom. Phantom, the primary token of the Phantom network, has seen 10% increase in value in the past 24 hours due to upcoming protocol updates. Phantom, a Layer 1 blockchain platform, plans to enhance its network with lower memory consumption, improved storage capabilities, and new security features. The foundation claims these improvements could improve network performance by processing transactions faster. FTM was trading at $0.8, down near 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Arbitrum. Arbitrum, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, has seen a significant asset shifting among investors following its recent token unlocking. The Layer 2 network released over 1 billion ARB tokens valued at around $2 billion, causing a significant loss in value. Blockchain analytics firm Spot On Chain identified 6 wallets receiving tokens and transferring them to crypto exchanges, resulting in a transfer of 8.95 million ARB tokens to Binance. However, these wallets still remain at 32.95 million ARB tokens, worth around $56.7 million. The broader cryptocurrency market's downturn contributed to ARB's price dropping to $1.6, its lowest level since January. ARB was trading at $1.66, down near 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Meme coins have seen significant gains in the past 24 hours, with Shiba Inu leading the race. Shiba Inu is seeing a surge in large holders' net inflows, which provides an idea of the change in the positions of whales and investors. SHIB is performing better than DogeCoin today, which is up only 5.7% over the past day. Shiba Inu has seen 602% spike in large holders and net inflows, indicating whale accumulation during periods of decline. This coincides with a Shiba Inu price drop in the last 48 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3vertv.io or scan the QR code.